Hello, folks. Welcome to another episode of Rivera Fine Art Studios. Today, I'd like to talk about something that is very important when we are trying to draw realistically. One of the fundamental skills is learning how to properly shade. And if this is something that you have struggled with, I am offering an in-depth class on this topic called The Principles of Line and Value in Drawing. And at the end of this video, I will provide a link that will direct you to where you can get more information about that class as well as other classes which I teach. And this video is actually a compilation of footage taken from that class where I am explaining how to create smooth value gradations using a series of different pencils. And when we learn how to do this properly, we can really accentuate the appearance of form. If we're looking at light and shadow, what we are seeing is really a series of light and dark values, and the way that those values transition into one another will help to create the appearance of three-dimensional form. We can almost think of drawing as a language, and each skill, whether it be line quality, value transitions, edges, is part of our vocabulary. And when we learn how to effectively use this vocabulary, we can create very convincing illusions of reality, which will resonate with the audience that's viewing our work. So these skills can definitely be applied to representational art, but even conceptual art involves some knowledge of these fundamental skills. And here in this finished diagram, we can really see the differences between the value transitions in each form. So the values essentially create the turning of the form or the turning of the planes. And when we look at something like the sphere and the cylinder, we can see there's a very gradual transition between the shadow side and the light side. However, with something like a cube, each plane has a designated value and there is little to no transition. So once again, if you are interested in learning more about this topic, please check out the link provided in the description below.